Hey guys, it's Steph and welcome back to the Fragrance Direct YouTube channel, where in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look, which is heavily inspired by Meghan Markle's wedding makeup look. It's super easy to recreate. In fact, I think this entire makeup look is made up of actually like 5 makeup products. So if you'd like to see how I created it, please stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to start by using the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme CC Cream. That is a bit of a mouthful. So in the photo that I'm looking at, Meghan had a really natural base. You could see her natural freckles coming through her base. So I'm going to be using this. So as you can see, this comes out looking white, but as you apply it onto your skin, it does kind of change to your own skin tone almost and slightly perfect everything a little more. This is a really moisturizing product, so perfect for every day or if you're in a rush or anything like that. Next, I'm going to be using the MAC Select Moisture Cover Concealer. This is just to help perfect my base a little bit more, get rid of any blemishes and also conceal my under eye bags. So I'm going to take some of that and just apply that under my eyes and then just over any areas I want a little bit more coverage. Then just going to go ahead and buff all of that in. Just add a little bit more coverage where we need it. We do still want a really natural look, but sometimes you do have to cover up a few little imperfections. Okay, happy with that. So then I'm going to fill in my brows, and like I said before, Meghan has these amazing freckles. I don't really have any, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of them as well. So I'm going to be doing that using the High Definition Brow Tech Pencil. So I'm not going to do anything too drastic to my brows. I'm literally just going to fill in a few sparse areas. This has a super fine nib, so it's really good for creating hair-like strokes. And then I'm going to take the same pencil and just do very small little dots around my nose and also on my forehead. This is a great way of covering up little blemishes as well. Just pop a few little dots on there and it'll look like a freckle, little hack there. But I'm just going to dot this all over my face. And then what you can do is just take your finger and just lightly press that into the skin to make them look a little bit more realistic. I'm just going to take a very small amount of powder and just lightly go over the top of that. I'm actually going to leave a lot of my cheekbone and my cheek area powder free just so we can get like a nice little glow, almost like a lit from within look there. Then on her wedding day, Meghan had a really beautiful, simple smoky eye look. So I'm going to be going in with this Rimmel Quad. This one is in the shade Smoky Noir. And we've got 2 shimmer shades, which we're going to stay away from today. I'm going to go straight in with this grey matte shade and just pop that in the crease, just so we've got something to work with. And then I'm actually going to take this little tiny brush that comes with the quad and take this black shade here. We're not going to apply too much because then it can look a little bit intense. What I am going to do is really kind of work that into the lash line and smoke it out. This really helps to make your lashes look a little thicker as well. It's a nice little hack. And then we'll just kind of smudge it out. And then just go back over with that fluffy brush we used in our crease and just blend all of that out. So then we're going to really open up our eyes by layering up a lot of mascara. So this is the Max Factor Voluptuous False Lash Effect, which I've actually never tried before, so I'll let you guys know my thoughts. It's got a plastic kind of twisty one, which I love. And I'm really going to work that into the root of my lashes so it looks super black. And I'm just going to add a little bit onto my lower lashes, nothing major. We're going to put most of the focus on the top lashes. I'm going to go back in with the second layer, just like that. Love this mascara, by the way. That's really nice. So last but not least, we're going to add some lipstick, and we're also going to add a little bit to our cheeks just so it pops a little bit more. So this is one of the Clinique Pop lipsticks in the shade Bubblegum Pop. So it looks like this, super bright, kind of like Barbie pink. So I'm just going to apply that to my lips. It's a nice sheer formula, so even though this might look a little bit scary to some of you, it's actually a really pretty colour on. And then I'm also going to take my finger and just take some of that lipstick there and just pat that onto my cheeks, just ever so slightly, just to add a little glow. And that is the finished look. So guys, let me know what you think of this look in the comment section down below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to see more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.